There are 10 hidden sites that can help you rebuild your credit that nobody is talking about. What's up, family? I'm back with another one. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the family. So in today's class, I want to help you rebuild your credit because I understand once you knock the credit bureaus out, you also need to rebuild your credit and add positive trade lines to your credit report, all right? So I want to show you some accounts that you can open up if you don't have no accounts open on your credit report. So sit back, relax, grab a pen, get some paper, get something to drink because we about to learn today. All right, so the first site we're going to be talking about, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, is Isusu. But this is a rent reporting that can help you if you're currently renting. We're going to go over a lot of places that if you're currently renting right now, you can start reporting your rent today, right? So we're going to go over some of these places. So the first place is, you just said it, right? Now the next place you can also check out is this one right here. Now check out each one based off of your budget. And I know you probably have some questions. Should you do all of them? We're going to talk all about that after I show you each specific site, because it makes sense based off of what you have going on as far as your budget, okay? So this place is another written place that you can also check out. Now, another place is a little bit different. This is credit.ai, and this one is more of a secured card that also you'll put some money on it, and then it reports to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, okay? Now, the next place you might want to check out is, I think this one's probably might be the cheapest one, is BoomPay, and it reports to Experian, it reports to TransUnion, it reports to Equifax, and most importantly, it also reports, let's just say you've been living at that apartment or townhome, or you've been renting for the last two years, right? It will report the last 2 years of payment history to your report, which will also help improve your credit. So you're going to get 24 months of on-time payments being added to your credit report, right? So what significantly improve your credit score as well. So as you're fixing, you want to be rebuilding. Now, the next place you can also check out is Rock the Score. It's another rent reporting place as well that can help you improve your credit, okay? Now, the next place, this is a line of credit, and I think they have an installment account as well. So Tomo Credit is going to be checking your banking history. Is going to check your banking history to see what would you qualify for as a line of credit, okay? And then basically whatever you get approved for, they'll pull it from your bank account, right? Anytime you use a card, it can automatically come, and they'll report that to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax as well, okay? Now the next place, you probably heard of this one, is Rental Karma. Rental Karma is another place that also reports your rent. This is another popular one as well. Rent Reporters is also, and I was checking out some of the pricing as well to see which one makes sense, because everybody have things going on and everybody budget is different, and I just want to make sure what is best for you. But I wanted to show you all of them so you can make a decision based on what you have going on. And then there's another one, Self. Self is another one. They first started with just personal, let's just say, they just started with a regular installment account where $25 a month, and then at the end of it, they'll send you the money back or have some type of, but now they have that installment account. They also now have a credit card, a secure credit card. You can turn that installment account into a secure credit card. Now they also have reporting your bills. So you can also report your bills as well. Your rent, you can check it out to see which one actually works best for you, okay? Now, another one that you might like is Credit Strong, and this is an installment account trade line, kind of like Self. You can also check that one out. Another place you can also check out is Kovo. It's another place, and then we have Kickoff. All right, so all these places can help you rebuild your credit, but one of the best ones I want to talk about that's going to help you that nobody really talks about is this right here. You want to Google a credit union in your area. The reason why is because most credit unions will help you rebuild your credit. So they usually have a secured loan. And with a secured loan, you probably could do $100, $200, whatever that looks like, and pay that on time. But most importantly, you're building a relationship with a credit union bank, right? So when it's time for you to apply for a credit card, when it's time for you to apply for a loan, or when it's time for you to apply for a mortgage, right? They'll most likely, of course, mortgage is a little bit different, but when you want to apply for, they most likely will approve you because you created a new relationship. You have consistent deposits coming in, and you already paid that, or you're making on-time payments with that loan. So once your credit score is good enough to apply for a credit card or to apply for a car loan, you'll most likely get approved because you built a relationship. All right. When it comes to credit unions, it's all about relationship. It's all about being consistent with them and building that trust with that specific bank. So a credit union is probably the one that, these other places are good because it's going to help you rebuild, but a credit union is most likely the one that you want because now that's the relationship. That's where you can most likely get a, because these other places don't really have quote unquote like a credit card that you want, or let's just say a car loan that you're trying to apply for, or if you're trying to get a business credit card. So building a new relationship with a credit union can help you. So all you have to do is just Google a local credit union, one that you want to start over with because your pre-existing relationship is bad, right? So with that pre-existing relationship, they most likely won't approve you. So build a new relationship with a new bank. Just, now I gotta talk about that, but this will help you get approved for the thing that you're actually trying to apply for. All right. Hold up. Now, one more thing. We went over all these different trade lines that could be added to your report. Now, does it make sense to open up all these accounts? Probably not. Just pick one or two that makes sense to you. Make sure you build a relationship with a new credit union. If you have a pre-existing relationship that is bad with a credit union, open up a new account with a new credit union, build a relationship with that new bank, and pick one of these specific trade lines that can help you also rebuild your credit, okay? Now, one of those rent, let's just say Boom Pay or rent reporters, one of those places might help because if you're currently renting, you can add 2 years of history to your report, which will improve your credit score. Now, if you're new to the channel and you're trying to learn how to fix your credit and knock the credit bills out and remove that collection, that charge off, that bankruptcy, those eviction, student loans or late payments, or anything else holding your credit score back, I have